Hi everyone. Today Sofia is acting very strange. She is looking at her coffee and she is not talking. I think she is beating around the bush. Do you know this expression? Let's see if I can find out what she wants.
English over coffee. Take a sip. Come talk with me. Learn a little every day. Stay a while and feel carefree.
Hi everyone! Today Sofia is acting very strange. She is looking at her coffee and she is not talking. I think she is beating around the bush. Do you know this expression? Let's see if I can find out what she wants. Good morning. The usual?
Yes, please. Thank you, Daniel.
You seem a little quiet today. Everything okay?
Yes, yes, everything is fine.
Are you sure? You walked in, sat down, looked at your coffee, looked at the window, looked at me, and said nothing for about 2 minutes.
I was just thinking.
About?
Nothing. Well, something, but it is fine.
Sofia.
Yes?
Stop beating around the bush.
What?
Beat around the bush. It means stop going around the subject. Say what you want to say. Go straight to the point.
Oh, I like that. Beat around the bush.
So, what is going on?
Okay, fine. I want to ask you something, but I am not sure how to say it.
Just say it.
I wanted to have a small event here at the cafe on a Saturday morning for people who are learning English. Just a conversation circle, informal, nothing complicated. But I did not know if you would be okay with that.
That is what you could not say?
I did not want to ask for something big and you say no and then it becomes awkward.
Sofia, I love that idea completely.
Really?
Really? A conversation circle, Saturday morning, people practicing English in a real place with real coffee? That is perfect for this place.
I was so nervous to ask.
See? That is exactly why we say beat around the bush. When someone is nervous to say something directly, they go around it. They talk about other things. They hesitate. They say a little, then stop. They are beating around the bush.
And the direct way is better.
Almost always. People appreciate when you are clear. It feels respectful. It says, I trust you enough to be honest with you.
That is a beautiful way to think about it.
It is also just faster.
Yes, much faster. I could have asked you in 10 seconds and I waited 3 days.
3 days?
I was thinking about how to say it for 3 days.
Next time, just walk in and say it. I promise I will not bite.
Okay, I will try.
Good. Now, about this Saturday conversation circle, do you want me to make a special blend for the event?
Oh, that would be wonderful.
See? Direct, easy, done.
You are right. Beat around the bush. I am going to use this one a lot.
Most people do. It is one of those expressions that fits every day.
Have you ever beaten around the bush about something?
Of course, everyone does. The question is how long you stay there before you finally say what you mean.
How long did you stay there?
Once? About a year.
A year?
That is a story for another cup of coffee.
I will be here tomorrow.
I know you will.
Now, before you go, we have a question for you. What is one thing you are beating around the bush about right now? Is it a promotion, a date? Tell us in English. We read every single one.
And if this episode helped you, share it with someone who is also learning English. It really makes a difference.
Like the video, subscribe, and come back next week. We will be here. Same cafe, same coffee.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Learn a little every day. Stay a while and feel